Welcome to Storytime with Mrs. Cushman. Today we're going to read a book that was nominated for the California Young Reader Medal Award last year in 2019. It did not win, but it is a beautiful book. It is called Night Animals. The author is Gianna Marino, and it was written in 2015. Night Animals. Hey, Possum, what are you doing in there? I'm hiding. Shh. What are you hiding from? Night animals. Now keep quiet. Can you move over? Oh, let's find somewhere else. Sigh. Oh, did you hear something? Are you trying to scare me? Help me! Oh, help you? You're a wolf. But something is following me. What is it? It's big and hairy with long, sharp claws. I'm not here. You guys gotta help me. Something huge is coming. What can be bigger than a bear? Why is the sky getting darker? Night animal, run, hide. Stop. What are you so scared of? We're scared of night animals. But you are night animals. Oh! Did you hear something? Click. Run! 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 Who? I hope you enjoyed Storytime with Mrs. Cushman and this cute book about night animals. Those are animals that are nocturnal. That means that they are awake at night when humans are sleeping. So keep a lookout this summer and see if you can see some nocturnal animals in your summer evenings. I hope you have a great day.